Hello there, everyone. Well, last week we talked about how you can gain 1,000 followers in a year and keep your self-esteem banner waving high. Well, in part 1, we talked about identifying your brand or your niche, posting consistently, and posting value-based content. Stay tuned for part 2. Welcome everyone to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Jackie D, and my goal is to empower you and keep your self-esteem high as we swim through the turbulent waters of social media, especially Instagram. The reason I posted this video is because I want to let you know that you can gain 1,000 organic followers in 1 year on Instagram while keeping your self-esteem high. So first, we are going to talk about posting Instagram-worthy photos or graphics. You know, we talk about content because your post has to have value, but whether we like it or not, your post also has to be pleasing to the eyes. There's a lot of competition on Instagram. Instagram is still a visual platform. People scroll endlessly, so your post, the photo or the graphic, has to actually catch attention. It could be a photo, it could be a reel. We're going to talk about videos later on, but now we're just going to talk about stills. Make sure that it catches attention. Use color, use balance, use symmetry or asymmetry. Anything that's artistic to the eyes will definitely catch attention. I have a freebie which you can get from my blog, and it's all about how to take great selfies that will get your viewer to like that photo and follow you. The link is down there. Click on that link and go to my shop page and just say, grab my freebie, send me an email, and I'll send you your freebie in a wink of an eye. Okay, because we're talking about self-esteem, let's presume that you took all the time, you really did your very best to create that beautiful photo, and you got 1 like, or 4 or 5. Don't just look at the people who liked it. Remember, you learned. You are better. You are able to create better photos, and that's already a win situation for you. And you know that it's better than what you did before? Well, there you go. You're on your way, girl. Second, you gotta value your followers. Or even if they're not your followers, you gotta value and appreciate those people who dropped by your profile and hit like. When someone comments, make sure to reply or acknowledge the comment. There are many ways by which you can comment on a feedback without being too in their face, without being too eager, and I'm gonna share that on my blog. So don't forget to sign up for my newsletter because there'll be lots of freebies coming along. Make sure to make them feel just as special as they made you feel special. Instagram is not just a visual album or portfolio or platform. It is a place where you find connections and you build friendships, business partnerships. When you're on other people's accounts and there are comments there, go over them, scroll over them, and reply or heart their comments because you are making them aware that you exist. And if you really like their answer, you can go like, oh, absolutely, I agree. I'm with you, sister. You want your self-esteem boosted? You gotta do the same for others. Follow Instagram influencers. Listen to what they say. Don't look at how many followers they have because there are Instagram gurus that have very few followers, but they are amazing. What they're teaching us, they've learned through so many years of mistakes, of experiences, of discoveries, and they are sharing them with us. So those are my tips for today, and I am so happy that you stayed with me. If you haven't seen episode 1, don't forget to go back to that video from last week because every episode in this series is definitely very, very valuable. If you like this episode, don't forget to hit that like button, smash, and share and comment. You know, when I see that there's a notification there, at least one, I'm so happy. Click it right away, eager beaver me, and I comment and I reply. So don't forget, comment and share. And I really hope you're learning from what I am sharing with you. Because yes, I want you to gain 1,000 organic followers within a year. I gained over 1,000 and it worked. So I'm sharing why. Smile, stay empowered. Remember, you are valuable.